यहाँ से आपका नाम. Yes. Good morning, students. A very warm morning to everyone. As you all know, today we are conducting a mathematics exhibition for you all. हमें पता है सभी स्टूडेंट्स बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट एंड एनर्जेटिक है. ये क्रिएटिव आपकी क्रिएटिविटी और इनोवेशन शो करने का आपके पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. सो प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन, तो इस एग्जीबिशन को एंजॉय कीजिए और अच्छे से डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दीजिएगा. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू ईच एंड एवरी पार्टिसिपेंट. So now officially we are starting our exhibition. So first participant is from class 6, Harshika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Harshika. Yes, your time starts now, Harshika.
Respected teachers, judges, and my dear friends, I am Harshika going to present a mathematical project on the story of pi. I am pi. Do you want to know about me? Pi is a mathematical constant calculated by circumference of circle divided by diameter of circle, circumference divided by diameter, circumference divided by twice radius. So circle is 2 pi r. What is the value of pi? The value of pi is 3.14159, approximately 22 by 7 and 3.14. How the pi is discovered? The pi is 16th letter of Greek alphabet. The first letter of pi is P and it is also 16th letter of English alphabet. In 3500 BC, people tried to make wheel, but they found difficulty in it. So they discovered if the diameter is 7 unit and the circumference is 22 unit, then only it is the perfect round wheel. Pi is used in many maths formulas like area of circle, area of cylinder, area of cone, and volume of cylinder, circumference of circle, volume of cone, volume of sphere, volume of hemisphere, wheels of car, bus, train, camera lens, microscopic lens, etc. So pi is constant. For this we need to do a small activity. So here I have taken 3 circles whose diameter is 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Then we take a thread and measure the circumference. The circumference is 18.86 cm, 25.14 cm and 31.43 cm. So now we divide circumference divided by its diameter and we get the same result, 3.14, 3.14 and 3.14. So the pi is constant. So there is a fact about me. Do you know 14th March is Pi Day celebrated at 1:59 p.m. and it is also comes from pi value. See, 3 is equals to month, 14th is equals to day and 1:59 is equals to time. So that's how pi is discovered. Thank you and have a nice day.
वेरी गुड हर्षिका, बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी सुनाई आपने पाई की. वेरी गुड डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन यू हैव गिवन. थैंक यू सो मच हर्षिका. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट. Now Harshika, now judges will ask some questions to you. Listen carefully.
Harshika, you are using pi formula is what? Circumference upon radius.
Sir, circumference of circle is 2 pi r.
Circumference formula is, what is circumference of a circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
Sir,
R is for radius. Then I am asking one question to you, what's the name? Harshika. If we are taking different radius of circles, different radius, the value of pi will be same or different?
Sir, it is same.
It is same for all radiuses.
Yes, sir.
It is same for all radiuses. Can you tell me what is the, can you define what is the radius of a circle?
Sir, the line passes through center till circumference.
Or what is a circle? Please tell me what is circle? What is circle?
Sir, a curved line is called circle.
Curved line is called circle. Okay.
Harshika, can you tell me some practical applications in daily life of pi?
Yes, ma'am. Lens of camera, microscope lens, wheels of car, bus, train, etc.
Thank you,
And-
Harshika.
Where you are using pi, applications of pi. Madam is asking what is the applications of pi. Where you are using this
To
pi.
find out exact circle.
Thank you so much, Harshika. Now coming to the next participant, it is Chetan Lonare. Chetan Lonare. I think he is not joined yet. Okay. Next participant, Ishani. Ishani Haritwal from 6B. Scroll कीजिए. Yes, Ishani, your time starts now. Unmute yourself first. Ishani, unmute yourself.
My name is Ishani Haitwal. Good morning, teachers and my friends. My topic is percentage. The number, amount, etc. rates of something expressed as if it is a part of total, which is 100, is called percentage. If we have to calculate percent of a number by whole and multiply by 100, the word percentage means 100. How to calculate percentage? Convert the problem to an equation using the percent formula. Percentage into x is equal
Ishani,
to
speak loudly. We are unable to hear you.
percentage is 10, percentage x is 150, so the equation is 10 percentage is into 150 is equal to y. Convert 10% to a decimal by removing the percent symbol and dividing by 100. 10 by 100 is equal to 0.10. Some examples like 25 of 200. First, we 25 by 200 into 100 is equal to 25 1 by 8 into 100 and 1 into 100 by 8. 100 by 8 is equal to 25 by 2.
Ishani, listen. Ishani, I am asking one question to you. What is 50% of 100? Tell me, what is 50% of 100? Don't see the chart. You tell me. 50% of 100. If you are finding out the percentage, how you find out percentage? You are showing ना कि सर ऐसे percentage दिखाते हैं, ये निकालते हैं. क्या आप किसी भी नंबर की percentage निकाल सकते हो?
Yes, sir.
तो मैं वही पूछ रहा हूं कि 50% of 100 कितना होगा? %50 of 100. Simple question. Okay, you explain.
50, sir.
50 only. Very good.
Sir, 50%.
50 only. 50% you don't tell. 50% of 100 means 50.
Sir, answer is 50.
Yeah. Answer is
50.
yeah. Very good.
In mathematics, a percentage is a number of ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. It is often definition using the percentage sign, percentage, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
50% of 100, 50% of 200. Tell me which will be the greater one. कौन सा बड़ा होगा? 50% of 100 and 50% of 200. कौन सा बड़ा होगा आंसर में? वैसे ही orally you tell. Okay.
Say 200 वाले 50% and 200.
Okay, Shani, thank you so much. Now coming to the next participants from 7th standard. So first, okay. From 7th standard, we are taking first participant as Adarsh Mani Tiwari, 7th A.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, my project is Quizboard. Ma'am, the Quizboard help us to learn is hard solution and
Others, speak loudly. Your camera is off. Turn on your camera, Others.
ma'am, so I am telling you how to uh, solve these equations. So ma'am, first ma'am, you can see the equations.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So my first equation is a plus b whole square. तो a plus b का होल स्क्वायर तो मैम आपको पता ही होगा कि मैम क्या होता है। तो मैम पहले तो हम देखते हैं कि मैम ये सही है, इसका सही आंसर तो ये नहीं है और मैम ये भी नहीं है, तो लाइट नहीं ग्लो कर रही है। तो अब ये नहीं है, ये नहीं है, और मैम ये हमेशा आंसर पे ही ग्लो करती है लाइट। ये देखिए। और फिर
What is a plus b whole square?
तो ए प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर होता है ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab। उसके बाद ये आता है साइन जीटा प्लस कॉस जीटा। तो मैम सही है, आपको पता ही होगा। तो इसका ये नहीं है आंसर, ये भी नहीं है और ये भी नहीं है। तो साइन तो उसका आंसर इसका आंसर साइन जीटा प्लस कॉस जीटा इक्वल्स टू 1।
क्या sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1?
Beta, please repeat. Please repeat.
Repeat, beta. What is the formula? बड़े उससे मिलो।
Clear नहीं आ रहा।
हाँ, second formula. What you are speaking, beta? Tell.
सर साइन जीटा प्लस कॉस जीटा
Is equal to 1.
यस सर।
अच्छा, ये जितने फार्मूले आपने लिखे हुए हैं, ये सब याद है आपको?
यस सर।
बट हम देख नहीं पा रहे आपने कौन कौन से फार्मूले लिखे हैं।
सर ये फॉर्मूले थोड़े छोटे हैं।
हाँ, छोटे हैं। वेरी गुड बेटे। वो साइन थीटा प्लस कोस थीटा 1 नहीं होता, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कोस स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू 1।
Okay, Adarsh, very good.
ओके, वेरी गुड। ठीक है मैडम।
Okay, Adarsh, thank you so much. I request every participant, please, आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स की प्रेजेंटेशन देख रहे हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, क्या उसमें कुछ करेक्शन की जरूरत है। उसी तरह अपने कैमरास को स्टेबल रखिए और हाथ में पकड़ के आप मॉडल को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट मत कीजिए। लैंडस्केप मोड में मोबाइल को रखिए ताकि आपके प्रेजेंटेशन में एक भी मार्क आपका कम ना हो। आपका योर प्रेजेंटेशन शुड बी गुड। ओके, आप दूसरों की प्रेजेंटेशन को देख के कुछ करेक्शन करना है तो आप कर सकते हैं। यू हैव टाइम नाउ। नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट चिराग अमरावत।
Good morning, teachers, judges, and all my dear friends. I am Chirag Amrawat of class 7A and I want to demonstrate a project on perimeter and area. Basically, shapes are divided into two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes can be drawn in the plane, while three-dimensional shapes can be visualized in space. Some examples of two-dimensional shapes here are rectangle, circle, square, and triangle, while the examples of three-dimensional shapes are cube, cuboid, sphere, and cylinder. Now, perimeter and area. What is perimeter? Perimeter, it is the border or outer boundary of a two-dimensional figure, or it is defined as the total leg distance around the shape. We use this perimeter in fencing our fields, or we can find out cost, how much wire is required and how much cost the wire needs for fencing a field. And then area is defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or a surface of an object, or it can be called as region bounded by the object of an object, by a shape of an object. We can apply this area when we
paint our house or whitewash our house. Some figures with their perimeter and areas are as follows. First, rectangle. Rectangle is a shape with two lines parallel and two lines in equal length. Its perimeter is 2l plus b and area is l into b, where l is length of rectangle and b is breadth of rectangle. Second, square. Square is a figure with all the interior angle as 90 degree and all the length as equals. Its perimeter is 4 into a or 4a. Its area is a into a or a square, where a is side of the rectangle square.
Chirag,
Yes, sir.
listen. You tell me one thing. You have made square, na square. Square
sir.
you have made, na.
Yes,
Square
sir.
you have made. Tell me, is this square is a rectangle also?
No, sir.
Square is not a rectangle.
No, sir.
Why?
As it has its two lengths are equal.
So square is not a rectangle.
All four lengths are equal, while rectangle has only two lengths equal.
Acha, I am asking one thing. You know parallelogram?
Yes, sir.
These two figures you have made, rectangle and square, these are parallelogram.
Yes, sir. As all sides are parallel to each other.
But you are saying square is not a rectangle. How you are saying? Square, this square you have made. आपने पहले rectangle बोला फिर square बोला. मैं ये क्वेश्चन है सिंपल सा. जो ये square बनाई है क्या ये rectangle भी है?
No, sir.
No. Okay. बेटा ये rectangle भी होती है. Square is rectangle. Square is all. Square is a parallelogram. Square is a rhombus. Square is a rectangle. सब चीज होती है square. Yes, okay. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. और कुछ जो आप मेरे को एक चीज और बता दो बस. One question I am asking you. What is the difference between perimeter and area? आपने perimeter और area दिखाया ना?
Sir, perimeter is total length. The total length of boundary of the shape, while
Very
area
good.
is space occupied by the shape or object.
Okay.
Chirag, can you tell me what will be the ratio of the sides of the square? If I take two sides of a square, what will be the ratio between them?
Two sides of square will be ratio of 1:1.
Okay, thank you, Chirag.
Welcome, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटा. Okay, madam. Next one.
Thank you so much, Chirag. Very good explanation you have given. Very good. Excellent. Now coming to the next participant, Kumud Gupta. Kumud Gupta. Yes. Start, Kumud.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Kumar Gupta. I study in class 7th A. Today, I am going to show you my project of mathematics. The topic of my project is types of angles. There are many types of angles. The word angle comes from the Latin word angulus, means corner, and English word angle. You did a Greek scientist define angle, a plane angle, as the inclination to each other in the plane, two lines which meet each other and do not intersect and do not straight with the respect to each other. Now I will show you some examples of angles. The first example is acute angle. Acute angle is an angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Then right angle. Right angle is an angle which measures exactly 90 degree of 1/4 turn. Then obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is an angle which measures more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Obtuse means blunt. So it is also called blunt angle. Then straight angle. Straight angle is an angle which is equal to 1 by 2 turn or half turn or exactly measures 180 degree. Then reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle which measures more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Then complete angle. Complete angle is an angle which is equal to 1 turn or exactly measures 360 degree. Now I will show you some pairs of angles. This is complementary angle. In this angle, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree or 1 by 4 turn. Then supplementary angles or linear pair of angles. In this angle, angle 1 and angle 2, when we add them, we get 1 by 2 turn or 180 degree. Then the vertically opposite angle. When two lines intersect each other, they form X-like shape. This is X-like shape. It forms 4 angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. In this, when the two lines intersect each other, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2.
Okay, very good.
Komod, one thing you tell. One thing, you have told linear pair of angles, you have told complementary angles, supplementary angles, all angles. But linear pair of angles you have told. And one thing I am asking one question to you, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Can you give some definition about adjacent angle?
Yes, sir. Adjacent angles are those angles whose interior do not interlap and their vertex is same. Their one arm is same, but their interior not.
So I am asking one thing to you. This linear pair you told, these are adjacent angles.
Yes, sir.
So first condition for linear pair, they must be adjacent.
Yes, sir.
The second condition?
Their sum should be 180.
Very good.
Sir, we use angles in our daily lives. Engineers use angles to make houses, bridges, buildings, etc. Carpenter use equipments like protector and uses angles to make furniture like table, chair, bed, etc. And we can see the angles in a football boundary court. Boundary court is rectangle, and as we know, rectangle has 4 angles, which measures 90 degree. So we can see angle there also.
Okay. Can you tell the definition? Can you tell the definition of angle?
Yes, sir.
What is?
Angle is an geometrical figure which is formed by 2 rays and 1 endpoint.
Why you word use ray? Ray. What is ray?
Sir, ray has one fixed point and we can extend its another point everywhere.
Very good, Komod Gupta. Thank you so much. Your presentation was very good. We are able to see each and every angle you have made. Very good, Komod. Thank you so much. Now coming to the next participant, Neerav Chaurasia.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I am showing you my project and it is about number system. In this, I will tell
Neerav,
about rational
listen
number.
to me, Neerav. First of all, place your model at one place. एक जगह उसको रख दीजिए. उसके बाद आप represent कीजिए, क्योंकि हम आपका पूरा चार्ट नहीं देख पाते हैं. Yes.
First, numbers. Natural number. Natural number is starting from 1 to infinite, and it is not fraction and decimal. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second, whole number. Whole number is starting from 0 to infinite, and there is also no fraction and decimal. Example 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third, rational number. No. Integer. Integers are fraction.
Nirav,
Yes, sir.
listen. I am asking one question. Okay, you are told natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, whatever. I am telling one number. You tell me, is it a natural number or whole number? Number 1268. 1268. Tell me, is it a natural number?
Yes, sir.
Whole number?
Natural number, sir.
Whole number नहीं है.
सर दोनों है.
दोनों है. ओके, हम कितना भी बड़ा नंबर बोले. ओके. अच्छा, एक नंबर बोलता हूं 22/7. ये नेचुरल नंबर है?
यस सर. नो सर, नो सर, नो सर.
होल नंबर है?
नो सर.
इंटीजर है?
यस सर.
22/7 इंटीजर है?
22/7 रेशनल नंबर है सर.
रेशनल नंबर है. वेरी गुड.
नीरव -5 कौन सा नंबर है बेटा?
मैम इंटीजर.
थैंक यू नीरव.
Very good, Nirav. Thank you so much for your explanation. Now coming to the next participant, Siddhika Jain. Siddhika Jain.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Siddhika Zain. My project name is probability.
Siddhika, stop. Listen to me. आप अपना ऑटो रोटेट मोड ऑन कीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
आपका वीडियो पूरा हॉरिजॉन्टल है. प्लीज एडजस्ट योर कैमरा. Yes, Siddhika, now start.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Siddhika Jain. My project name is probability. Probability is a number that is likely chance.
Siddhika, wait. Beta, speak loudly and clearly.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Siddhika Jain. Probability. My project name is probability. Probability is a number that is likely chance or likelihood that is participant of event in occurring. Rolling a dice, drawing a card from dice.
सिद्धिका, एक मिनट. सिद्धिका बेटा, एकदम शांत हो जाइए. डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. आप हेजिटेट कर रहे हो थोड़ा सा. आई फील लाइक रिलैक्स, एकदम रिलैक्स हो जाइए. लंबी सांस लीजिए, फिर स्टार्ट करिए. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा बेटा, समझ नहीं आ रहा है. आराम से बोलिए, लंबी सांस लीजिए, फिर स्टार्ट करिए अगेन.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Siddhika Jain. Our project name is probability. Probability is a number that reflects the chance or likelihood that participants will occur. Rolling a dice, drawing a card from dice, to giving a coin are all things that is familiar. And these are often used to be understand the concept of probability. There are five findings. The study of the chance of event of things in possible five conditions is more than likely to be expected. Examples
About probability you are telling?
Yes, sir.
Probability.
Yes, sir.
I am asking one question. I toss a coin. मैंने एक कॉइन को टॉस करता हूं.
Yes, sir.
What is the probability for coming head?
1/2.
Okay. I am asking one more question. If I throw a dice you know?
Yes, sir.
If you throw a dice, what is the probability that a prime number should come?
3/6, sir.
Very good, very good.
Bachche, when I throw a dice, what is the probability of getting number 7?
Sir, ma'am, 0.
Good.
What is the probability that sun will not rise tomorrow?
सर एक बार और रिपीट कर दीजिए.
What is the probability that sun will not rise tomorrow?
सर सर्कल. सर 0.
Good, beta, good.
Very good, Siddhika. Our judges are asking some tricky questions to you. Don't worry, be confident with your answers. बहुत confidently answer देना है सभी को. Now coming to the next participant, Sunidhi. Camera on कीजिए सुनिधि.
Morning, ma'am. My name is Sunidhi. I am from class 7th A. The topic of my project is Pythagoras theorem.
Sunidhi, turn on your camera, please. Sunidhi, turn on your camera.
Oh my god, sounds a bit. The topic of my project is application of Pythagoras theorem in real life. Pythagoras theorem is a theorem which says that the sum of square of two legs is equal to the square of hypotenuse. And we can find the value of z.
Sunidhi, speak loudly, please.
Okay, ma'am. The topic of my project is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is a theorem which says that the sum of square of two legs is equal to the square of hypotenuse. Formula. And if we consider the sides as A, B and C, then the formula becomes a square plus b square is equal to c square. And we can find the value of c, or the longest side, by finding the square root of the value obtained. That's how we solve a problem. Applications. First, construction, navigation, painting, building, and making maps, and allotment. Construction of bridges. We can calculate the length of cable required to connect a bridge with Pythagoras theorem. Suspension bridge, like hanging bridge in Kota, used this theorem. Navigation. Sailors find the shortest distance between two locations using this theorem. It also helps in calculating the length of the runway. Painting a wall. A painter uses Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the ladder. Did you like the applications of Pythagoras theorem? I loved it. Thank you, everyone.
Sunidhi, listen.
Yes, sir.
Pythagoras theorem. मैं एक isosceles triangle देता हूँ. Can you use Pythagoras theorem in that?
What, sir?
ट्राइंगल कौन सी ट्राइंगल में यूज हो रही है ये?
सर राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल।
आइसोसेलेस में यूज नहीं हो सकती?
नो सर।
नहीं हो सकती? ट्राई
नहीं,
करके देखो, नहीं होती।
सर
रीजन व्हाई?
सर इट कैन बी ओनली अप्लाइड इन राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल।
ओके 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 बेटा।
Thank you so much, Sunidhi. Next participant is Apurva from 7th B.
Myself Apurva Thul of class 7B. My project is on geometry and maths magic. So let's start with the definition of angles. In Euclidean geometry, an angle is a figure formed by two rays called the sides of the angle, having common endpoints called vertex. The word angle came from a Latin word angulus. This means a small bending. Having angles in our daily life is really very helpful to art, and it is the base of geometry. So there are some different types of angle. Number one, an acute angle. An acute angle is an angle which is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree.
अपूर्वा, एक्यूट एंगल से भी छोटा एंगल होता है क्या?
No sir.
क्यों? 0 डिग्री? 0 डिग्री इज नॉट ए एंगल. ठीक है ना? 0 डिग्री भी एक एंगल होता है. ओके, करो. ओके, नेक्स्ट. ऑब्ट्यूज बताओ.
So obtuse angle is an angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Yes, like we have here 110, 130 and 160. Even 179 is also an obtuse angle. Now, next one is a right angle. Right angle is an angle which is exactly of 90 degree. Like here, 90 degree. And next is a straight angle. Straight angle is an angle which is exactly of 180 degree. Here is a straight angle. Now, move on to the next. It is reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle which is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. 360. Also, if two angles add up to measure 90 degree, it's called complementary angles. And if two angles add up to measure 180 degree, it is called supplementary angles. Now, I want to show you a small magic trick. So, here I have a big bowl which is full of water. And here I have a magnet which I just stuck to the cap. And when I just let the cap to the water, and when I add the second one,
Apurva, we cannot see this. Please, can you hold it? Can you hold it? Or you can adjust the camera.
yes.
We would like to see this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
No, still we cannot see this. Okay. Now very good. No. Yeah. Now we can see this.
So, as you can see, when we just put the second one, it's make a straight line. And when we add the third one,
Apurva, please थोड़ा सा उसको slide कर दो पीछे आपके बाउल को. Yes, now we can see. Yeah. Now
as you can see, it's make a triangle. And when we add the last fourth one, It's make a square. So,
Okay, good, beta.
so from here we conclude that maths is everywhere in our life. Thank you.
बेटा टेल मी वन थिंग, ये जो आपने पानी में डाले हैं ना, अगर ये स्ट्रेट लाइन में हो सारे, तो देन
सर अगर हमको स्ट्रेट लाइन में कभी 4 आ नहीं सकती क्योंकि वो मैग्नेटिक फोर्स होती है. सो इफ देयर आर 2 मैग्नेट्स देन दे विल बी मेक अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. और अगर वो 4 है तो दे मेक अ स्क्वायर, 3 है तो ट्रायंगल.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, इसी पॉइंट्स को क्या बोलते हैं? सम नेम इज गिवन, मतलब ऐसे अगर कोई होते हैं, सपोज 3 पॉइंट्स आर देयर, दे आर नॉट इन ए लाइन, what we are telling these points? You listen, collinear points?
No sir.
No. Okay.
अपूर्वा एक बार 90 डिग्री का एंगल फिर से बनाना बेटा आपके चार्ट में से. Now, okay, perfect. Thank you.
Very good, Apurva. Very good explanation you have given, and we loved your experiment you have shown. Thank you so much. Now coming to the next participant, Naveen Kumar Meena from 7th B. And participant, please try to complete your demonstration in just 2 minutes because we have a long list of participants. Please try to complete it in 2 minutes only. Okay, Naveen is not there. Coming to the next participant, Prithvi Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, turn on your camera. Prithvi Kumar, turn on your camera. Yes, very good, very good. Start.
Prithvi, we cannot hear you. Unmute yourself, beta. And speak loudly.
Yes. Respected teachers and dear friends, good morning. Today I am Prithvi Kumar, the student of class 7B, is here to present my project. Sir, the name of my project is the integer board. Sir, the objective of my project is to make the positive and negative addition and subtraction equations easier for the beginners. Ma'am, let us take the examples of some negative integer plus positive integer. Ma'am, first we will take the example of -4 plus 3. So, ma'am, first we will go to -4. So, ma'am, we are on -4. Now, after we will go 3 steps forward. So, ma'am, 1, 2, 3. So, ma'am, answer is 1. Ma'am, now we will take the example of -2, -1. Ma'am, so first we will take this arrow. And first we will take this arrow to -2. And then after that we will go 3 steps backward. So my answer will be ma'am, we will go to right side and ma'am, so answer will be -1. Ma'am, now we will take the example of -4 plus 3.
Okay, beta, okay. One thing you tell, Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
ये जो आप माइनस में ये नंबर लाइन बना रखी है ना आपने, इंटीजर नंबर लाइन.
यस सर.
आप अगर कोई नंबर प्लस में हो तो किधर मूव करोगे और माइनस में हो तो किधर मूव करोगे? टेल मी.
सर अगर प्लस करेंगे तो सर हम राइट साइड में जाएंगे, लेकिन अगर सर माइनस होगा तो सर हम लेफ्ट साइड में जाएंगे.
अच्छा, ठीक है. करो बताओ एग्जांपल।
Thank you, sir.
एग्जांपल।
एक्सप्लेनेशन आपका कंप्लीट हो गया क्या बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am. हो गया.
ओके गुड.
ठीक है
ओके बच्चे, थैंक यू.
Okay, thank you so much, Prithvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next participant, Ritesh Kumar Meghwal. Ritesh,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Yes, start your presentation. Unmute yourself. Ritesh, unmute yourself and start your presentation.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am, you can hear my voice?
yes, we can hear you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ritesh Kumar Meghwal. Today, I am going to present you a topic. Topic is maths in day-to-day life. Math shapes. In geometry, a shape can be defined as the form of an object or its outline. Outer boundary or outer surface shape are divided into two parts: two-dimensional shape or 2D shapes, three-dimensional shape or 3D shapes. 2D shapes. 2D shapes can be defined as a plane figure that can be drawn on a flat or plane surface or a piece of paper. All the 2D shapes have various parameters such as area and perimeters. Some of the 2D shapes contain slides and corners, whereas some have curved boundaries. Examples of 2D shapes. Some examples of 2D shapes are triangle, circle, square, rectangle, parallelogram, polygon, semicircle, oval, rhombus, trapezium, kite, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, heptagon, etc. Triangle. Triangle is a polygon which is made of three sides and consists of three edges and three verticals. Also, the sum of its interior angle equal to 180 degree. Circle. Locus of all points at a fixed distance from a reference center point is called a circle. Square. Square is a quadrilateral where all the four sides and angles are equal and the angle at all the verticals equal to 90 degree each. Rectangle. A quadrilateral which has its two pairs of opposite sides equal in length and interior angle are at the right
Yes,
angle.
Nero. Listen, Ritesh.
Yes, sir.
You use the word polygon. Polygon you use na?
Yes, sir.
What is a polygon? आपने ट्राइंगल के लिए बोला सर ट्राइंगल इज ए पोलीगन, फिर आपने स्क्वायर बताया, स्क्वायर इज ए पोलीगन और नॉट?
Sir, sphere is also a polygon.
Square is a polygon, rectangle is a polygon. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
तो ये सब polygons होती हैं.
Yes, sir.
तो what is the definition of a polygon?
सर polygon वो होते हैं जिनके लाइन सेगमेंट्स होते हैं और कर्व्स नहीं होते हैं.
Circle is a polygon.
No, sir.
Circle is not a polygon. अच्छा, आपने ये पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, डेकागन, ऑक्टागन दिखाया. अगर कोई भी पॉलीगन 11 साइड्स रखती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ओके.
Ritesh,
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have any shape who has 2 dimension?
Yes, ma'am.
Which?
Ma'am, circle, rectangle, square.
And 1 dimension?
No, ma'am.
No. And 0 dimension? बेटा पॉइंट की कितनी डायमेंशन होती है? Okay, Ritesh, thank you.
Thank you so much, Ritesh, for your presentation. Very good. Coming to the next participant from 8th standard, Chinmay Nirvan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Chinmay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Start your presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Chinmay Nirvan from class 8B. I made this project on learning squares up to 30. In this, I made a big square with a roller to roll the script inside the square, in which shows the squares which shows of the numbers from 1 to 30. This is made to learn squares in the interesting manner, so it can be easy for students, because squares up to 30 can make our math solving easy fast. Thank you.
1 minute, tell me इसी से आप मेरे को बताइए. Listen.
Yes, sir.
इसी से बताइए 21, square of 21. Chinmay?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell what is the square of 21?
Yes, sir.
How much?
Sir, 441.
24?
Sir, 576.
अच्छा, you know और आप इसे देख के बता रहे हो?
Sir, I know the squares.
26 square?
Yes, sir.
26 square.
Sir, 676.
Chinmay, what is the square root of 225? Square root of 225. What is the square root of 225, Chinmay?
इनको स्क्वायर रूट और स्क्वायर में डिफरेंस मालूम है?
Yes, Chinmay. Okay, Chinmay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Chinmay, for your presentation. Coming to the next participant, Jia Patil. Jia Patil. She is not there. Okay. So we have completed till 8th standard. Now coming to the 9th one.